We gaze at the stars and wonder, are we alone in the universe? But what if we are not alone, not in space, but in time? What if, long before humans walked the Earth, another intelligent species thrived on this very planet? It's a question that challenges our understanding of history and our place in the cosmos. Humans have only been around for a tiny fraction of Earth's history. The Earth is 4.5 billion years old. Our existence is a blink of an eye in geological time. Is it possible that another advanced civilization rose and fell long before our time? The universe is ancient and our planet has seen countless transformations. It's a humbling thought to consider that we may not be the first or the only intelligent life to have graced this world. In 2018, scientists Gavin Schmidt and Adam Frank coined a term for this intriguing possibility: the Silurian hypothesis. Named after the intelligent reptiles this hypothesis proposes that a non-human civilization might have existed on Earth millions or even billions of years ago. The Silurian hypothesis acknowledges the difficulty of finding evidence of such a civilization. Time, as they say, is a great eraser. Erosion, plate tectonics, and the constant recycling of Earth's crust would have likely obliterated most traces of any ancient civilization. Yet, the hypothesis also suggests that some subtle clues might remain, hidden in the geological record, waiting to be discovered. Imagine trying to find a tiny button lost in a vast desert. That's the challenge of searching for evidence of a civilization that existed millions of years ago. The Earth is very good at burying its past. Most man-made structures and artifacts don't survive for long periods. They erode, decompose, or are simply crushed under the weight of sediment. Even finding fossils of dinosaurs, which were around for millions of years, is a rare occurrence. Finding evidence of a civilization that predates the dinosaurs by millions or even billions of years would be astronomically more difficult, but not impossible. Certain materials like plastic can persist for very long periods, and some traces, like changes in the composition of the atmosphere, could be detectable in ancient rocks. If an ancient civilization existed, what traces might it have left behind? Scientists look for anomalies in the geological record, subtle hints that something unusual happened. For example, spikes in carbon isotopes in ancient rocks could indicate periods of intense industrial activity. Traces of synthetic materials, like plastic, might also persist for millions of years, and changes in the ratios of certain elements, like plutonium, could point to the use of nuclear technology. However, it's important to remember that natural events can also cause similar changes. Volcanic eruptions, for example, can release huge amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. So, finding evidence that is uniquely attributable to an ancient civilization remains a significant challenge. The absence of evidence is not necessarily evidence of absence.